No, that one.
Side dish. Well, that's her favorite.
But yeah, it's a good place.
This one was your favorite?
That's her favorite.
Nice, yeah.
And this is our favorite. Oh, is this our favorite?
I like that.
Oh, okay, I like this one. Yep. Yay! Hi! Howdy! My favorite dish for tonight is this. I don't know what this is. Oh, sorry. I don't even know what this is for. What is this for? I wrapped the chicken in it. Am I supposed to do that?
That's thin sliced radish.
Oh, okay. Well, this is my favorite. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else to say. Sorry, I'm bad. Do you want me to say something? I don't know.
I love this restaurant. It's really fun. The waiters are awesome and the food is wonderful. Thanks for having us.
My name's Anson. I'm part of Alpha Kappa Delta Phi, Officer of Internal Affairs, and we're just here with all the girls to experience the food. The food's really good. We don't have this in Texas. I'm from Texas. Some of the girls from New York, they really love it too. So this is really different. It's really good. Good value. Really full for a really reasonable price. So this soju's really good too.
From 885. We came here for our national meeting and we ate here and the food is delicious. I definitely come again when I come to LA.
Food, it's really spicy, and I really like it unlike the last girl, and I want to learn how to make it.